Hello guys, I just got this C127 Sentry spy drone. This is my first, I would say, a mini helicopter. The reason why I got this is because it looked like one of those Hornet spy. Um, this is like basically the knockoff version of it, or you can say a copycat of a Hornet Black mini spy helicopter, I would say. And you can get this one for like $87 now or 75 bucks or something like that. But when you add more battery to it, the more you pay a little bit more, I would say. But anyway, I got 3 batteries, and my impression of it, the way it feels, is pretty cool. It feels nice. I'm like surprised how the quality of it, not too bad. And of the battery, where here's USB-C, it comes within that side. I guess you can charge it separately now. And it comes with this USB-C cable, and you can see the controller. Pretty biffy. But it feels nice though. Feels nice to it, I would say. And what else? See what we got here in the back. Oh, you guys can go ahead and see this is the extension for your smartphone. You could put it to the controller, I would say. And you get extra propeller guards and Allen wrench and little mini Phillips too, if you want to switch the propellers, I would say. So you have that extra. And you get instruction. You can get this one right here. You can use from Android or you can use iOS. And I think this is one of those Eachine also. So just probably just named differently. And you can see here the camera. You can adjust it up and down. Would be nice if you can actually control this like a mini gimbal, but of course it's a cheap version of it. And this right here is a Tello. You can see comparison, size comparison, and also the camera and the bottom sensor, I would say. And you can see here, of course, the reason why I got this a mini helicopter is because of the fact that it's kind of like the Tello. It has the position sensing on there, I would say. But Tello's the only one that actually has that infrared sensor to actually hover and stay, even though in extreme wind, I would say. This one right here, you can see is one of those ping needle cameras. I don't know if this thing's gonna be stable as Tello, but you can see the Tello here is more robust. Would be great if DJI make one of those mini helicopter, I would say, a little bit smaller. But anyway, guys, I'm just showing you the camera. I want to go check it out, the camera quality, and show you guys and if it's any good compared to a Tello. And that's about it. And of course, Tello is always great because it's programmable. And you can see the Sentry helicopter mini is not. So it's one of those things that, of course, the battery you can see here. Tello battery is a little bit heavier. This one right here a little bit lighter. And you can see the size. And you can zoom in there. And I think Tello is like 1,100 milliamp battery. This one right here only probably got like 900 or 750 milliamp hours battery on it. Supposed to be like 15 minutes flight time, but my opinion is probably gonna be only flying about 10 minutes, especially on this large propellers. But anyway, guys, I'm just gonna show it to you here, and I just want to say, yeah, just surprised what it could be, especially now in 2022. Anyway, I just want to say thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I'm gonna put this thing to the test compared to the Ryze Tello, and that's about it.